Hello and welcome to Monster's Guide. How to create a door preset. A preset consists of one or several objects with already set up characteristics and behavior. The preset acts like a single object. In Blender, it is a group instance. In this guide, we will create a preset of a double wing door. We use the file we created in the guide How to Use Door Control. We created a file with a door that can be opened and closed by an actor. When we look at the scene, we see quite a lot of objects that are part of a single door. This is fine with individual doors, but it makes it hard to deal with it if you have several doors of the same type. For example, if you want to duplicate the door, you have to select and copy all parts of it. This can be tricky if you miss objects. A good way to deal with that is to create a group. Before we even start with that, we better clean up our objects. This means we give them some meaningful names. We have two poles, so we mark them as left and right pole. We follow the Blender convention with suffixes .l for left and .r for right objects. We do the same renaming for the wing objects. Names are important to describe the purpose of an object. Keep in mind there are situations when you just see the textual representation. The openers are not left and right, but front and behind. We use a similar notation with the suffixes f for front and b for behind. The other openers are a bit out of sight, so we change the view for easier selection. Finally, we give the door control another name as well. Now we are ready to create a group. Please notice the object's outline color turned green. Think about a descriptive name too, as this will be the name the level designer will be working with. Here we call it double swing door. Now we can create instances of this group. Currently the group consists of the door control only. That is the reason why we just see an empty. It is dark orange, while the instance is bright orange and the group objects are green when selected. Let's turn the other parts of the door green by assigning them to the same group. While editing, you see the freshly assigned objects appear magically in the instance as well. I speed this up a bit and back to normal. Let's check if both doors are working. The original door opens and the instance door opens as well. You see the doors are intersecting each other. We can fix that by moving the instance around. If we move the group objects, the instance members will move as well. This makes it hard to place the green door at another location of your level. Therefore, we select all green objects and move them to a hidden layer. I forgot the wings, so I move them now. Oh, it's dark here. Let's share the light from the first layer. That is much better. You see the objects are placed a bit chaotic. Groups are by default aligned to the scene's origin. I suggest we place the door control in the middle, as it is the parent of all other parts. Snapping to the grid should help you with that. Let's look at the first layer. As we move the group objects around, the instance objects moved with them. We place the instance to a better location and try to keep the group objects near the scene origin. Otherwise, your level designer will kill you sooner or later. In your level, you can add as many instances as you like. All doors work the same way. There's no need to fiddle around with all these separate door parts. I think you can imagine how easy it is to create whole new levels with such instances. Thank you for watching this video.